What up, guys? Welcome to another video on Palito's technology. Yeah, for my previous video, I promised to show you how I'm going to flip my $50 account into a $200 account, in which we don't know how many days it will take us to flip it, probably 2, 3, or a week to flip. But I was supposed to take a trade today, but my system was down and I wouldn't want to risk, because I want to take valuable trades. I do not want to take any losing trade. Yeah, although I'm not a perfect trader, but though I still do not want to take any unnecessary trade that can result to loss. We're trying to compile a smaller account into a bigger account, so I think that's a good risk managing system, because it's not about when the market is opened, it's about when you can take profit from the market. So you don't rush to trade because the market is open. You only trade when you see your opportunity or pattern. But I did take a trade today, but I think I took the trade on a demo account. I was clear about the pattern because I'm not used to using my phone to analyze. I only use my phone to monitor my trades, and I use my system to analyze and finalize. Do you understand? So I saw the trade that was GPU AUD, and then I saw the pattern. It was so clear, but I wasn't used to using my phone to take trades, so I left it, and then I took the trade on my demo account, and I entered trade on BTC, USD, and they were all on profits. I think $70. Before then, I lost about $6 when I went for a quick scalp, which in turns burnt me, and then I waited for the longer run. Even if I took my profit earlier, that was because you must have a target in the market. Once it reaches a particular target, and I took about 30 pips in my AUD GPU AUD, which was about 31 or so dollars, and then my BTC, I took 3 positions, 2 0.01 and 1 0.05, so we have $22. I'm going to show it on the screen, and so that's it. So definitely tomorrow we're going to be releasing a clear video on my first trade on the $50 account. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. It is needed and it is necessary for this channel to grow, for more content on flipping, on and what I see, my preferences on what I see before I take my trade, patterns, and my trading methods. So like I said, if you're new, please do subscribe, and God bless. Thank you.